Oh, hi, Queenie. Did you make a little bed for yourself? Are you the best grocery haul ever? Yes, you little sleepy groceries.
If you were wondering if I'm a witch.
Yes, we are.
Can I take her in my van? Can I take her in my van? You talking to me? Yeah, you said you're down for an adventure, don't you? Whoop! Hi, my name is Becky, and I think I'm about to start living in a minivan. By the way, if you didn't know, this is what Chicago looks like. I'm a tour guide here, and I think I want to live in a minivan. Oh, there's somebody nude over there.
Can you take a picture of me?
I'm taking video of you.
I'm gonna pose like a Grecian goddess.
Hey buddy, show off for me. Thank you. Thank you. You look great. I just had a bit of a reckoning. I'm accepting a job that in the past would have really been exciting for me. A machinist gig doing cryogenics at Northwestern University, supercooling helium for academic physicists. But accepting this job has made me realize that I'm most likely going to be out of Chicago by the end of October. Things I'm feeling. Fear. Fear of losing my friends here. What's really feeling fear for me? These guys.
I love them so much. I'm trying to harness train them to see if they could live in a vehicle. You guys, what do you think? I'm crying because I don't know if it's possible to give these cats a life that they deserve living in a vehicle. Maybe in a proper van, but a minivan, 2 of them, and they're so young. This one's still a kid. She's still less than a year old. When I adopted them, I was committing to doing my best to care for them for my whole life. I've never given up cats before. I've seen videos of people living in vans with a cat. One cat, usually. And usually they're couch potatoes, but my guys, I mean, sure, they're couch potatoes because every cat is, but they love to run and they love to fight and they love to play. So if I can get Queenie to accept a harness and I can practice with them in a vehicle, I can try. I also accept the possibility that what's best for me and what's best for them may be different. I've only gotten closer to them through harness training them. Just because it scares me doesn't mean it's not the right thing to do.
So here's the issue. Queenie wants to go outside, but Queenie doesn't like the harness. Maui's pretty fine with the harness, but Maui's afraid of the outside. My kitten likes the roller coaster. Are you looking at me, little Mau? Proof that she doesn't want to get out. And we're back up. Oh, we like the roller coaster. Oh, we like the roller coaster. Whee! You want to get out? You can get out. No, you want to be on a roller coaster more. Whee! Whee! Delivery. Get your mama. Get your mama. Baby girl. So good, not even noticing her harness is on. I like to reward her with some exploration.
I might look like I'm just a lady on my way back from the grocery store, but in reality, I have a kitten.
So let's grab our keys. Like to hold her little scruff. Are you curious? Are you scared, honey? Let me get your scruff. And you calm down. Yeah, see? I'm in charge here. Look at you, honey. Look at you, honey girl. Let's get you back in the bag. We can go back to the apartment, honey. You're safe. You're safe. All right. All right. Well, how was that for an adventure, honey? And look, when you get home, you're a free girl. Yes, you're a good girl. Yes, she doesn't even care to leave the bag. Were you spooked, honey? Are you easily spooked outside because you're a baby, you don't know it? She doesn't know the outside well. Isn't that true, honey? All right, well, we can be done with this harness experience. There you go. You're done. You're naked. It'll take time, and I'm patient. The most important thing is that training is fun. And what's fun for my cats? Well, Maui likes the roller coaster. And Queenie likes to be scratched really, really hard, really, really intensely. So that's what she gets when she gets in the harness. And Maui gets roller coaster. And she also gets comforted by Mommy when a smoke alarm scares her. So with Queenie, I've gotten to the point where I can stick a little paws in here and then start scratching her really hard because that's what she likes. She likes scratch, 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 scratch. And so she's learning that to stand in here can be a good time. And it doesn't mean I'm going to trap her in the harness. But that's as far as I've gotten with her. I think the moment she realizes that this thing means she can go outside, she's going to be all about it. Yeah. Is that right, Queenie? Is that right, little Queenie? Okay, let's hunt. Let's hunt. Come on, you can do it, honey. Yes, you can. Yes, you can do that. Yes, you want to kill more than you care about harnesses. Yes, good girl. Come here. I love you. Yeah. That's where we're at. Potential van kitties. Signing out. Queenie and Maui. Yeah. It's dawning on me that I can't take my cats with me. And it has me questioning everything about this decision. I have to deal with this emotionally. Right now, I guess, on the way to work.
There is a woman on this boat dressed as a cow. It is the anniversary of the Great Fire. What is she doing?
It feels completely crazy for me to be giving these cats up. The woman who fostered them contacted me and is encouraging me to surrender them to the shelter where I got them from. And I know
That's their policy, but I also know that if I give these cats up to the shelter, that I'm probably never going to see them again. But none of the people who I'm close to, the cat people in my life, have space for 2 cats. But I guess for them to have the life that they deserve, then I really need to give them up and let them go. I can't help but feel like a bad person. I feel like I'm a bad person. So that's today's episode of Van Life, you know. Things are moving along.
Well, it's official. I'm giving my cats back to the shelter. The guy who was a maybe is a no. Also, I just got a pap smear.
Maui will ride around on my shoulders.
Are we having fun, little buddy? Don't fall. Don't fall. Here you go. There you go. Yes, that's right.
She started climbing on my back to get to the kitchen counters. But now I've tricked her and hacked that bad behavior into a desired good behavior where she becomes my little parrot. If you were wondering if I'm a witch.
Yes, we are.
Can I take her in my van? Can I take her in my van? You talking to me? Yeah, you said you're down for an adventure, don't you? Whoop! How could I not want these babies in the van with me? I'm reading Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance, which if you've never read, you should read. And my cats are being really cute. Here's my Maui. There she is. There's my little spooky ghost kitty. They're playing together because they're so cute. So a woman is coming over tomorrow to meet them. She's a friend of a friend. Apparently this woman is, Yolanda describes her as a quintessential cat lady whose cat just died. And so she was grieving. Yolanda quoted her as saying that she didn't expect to adopt so soon, but that my cats are really beautiful and she wants to meet them. I do believe it's possible to give cats a good life in a vehicle. I don't think it's responsible for me to start this journey with these 2 very young, playful cats. They frequently use the length of my studio apartment to play with each other. I'll be living in Florida, which even in winter gets hot. And I can't stay in my vehicle all the time. I just can't do it. So tomorrow they might be meeting their new human friend. And I'm sure they will charm her. I'm excited for this friend of a friend to maybe adopt them because that means that I could visit them in the future. So we'll see how that goes in the morning. In the meantime, I'm still just really enjoying their company and their goofiness and their lovingness. I was talking to my friends recently about this and I said that giving these cats up is the hardest thing I've ever done. And it surprised me to hear myself say that because I've gone through some hard things. But this is the hardest thing I've ever done. And I'm grateful for the opportunity to maybe connect them with Tasha, the woman who's coming. And I'm grateful I'll let you know how it goes when she visits. Well, the woman just came over and she loved them. She's going to adopt them before the end of the month. And you know my ass cried in front of her. And they're going to go to a bigger apartment and have lots of toys. I'm so happy. Do I feel better? No, but also it feels right.
Hi, Maui. Is this how you like to hang out with me when I'm at the kitchen table? Are you and that plant merging into oneness? Yes, honey. Well, the kitties are going. They're getting picked up tomorrow. Little Maui's riding on my shoulders right now. You want to get off? Oh no, you want to cuddle with my head. Yeah. It's time to go. I gotta be out of here. October 31st. I gotta get rid of all their stuff. Oh, you done with me? There she goes. I'm not going to enjoy it, but they're going to somewhere they can live better than me. Hi, Maui. She gave me one last gift today. I don't want to touch it or she'll do it again. Ripped a hole in the shower curtain. Well, now I know whether I'm going to donate it or not. That answers that. Thank you for that gift, little meow. Hi.
I gave up the cats just now and I came out here to cry and sunbathe. And look who joined me. Lots of crying. But also, like, this is the first time I've been out in the sun in, like, weeks.